Anki Overdrive.
What does driving the future look like? It looks like a state-of-the-art optical sensor scanning invisible code 500 times each second. It looks like AI opponents, intelligent enough to hunt you down. And it looks like this super truck, massive enough to bring on absolute carnage. What does driving the future look like? It looks like a state-of-the-art optical sensor scanning invisible code 500 times each second. It looks like artificial intelligence equipped with advanced weaponry designed specifically to stop you. And it looks like your rad dad with his iPad taking you out once again. Anki Overdrive, drive the future.
Anki Overdrive is the world's most intelligent battle racing system. These aren't just cars, these are robots programmed to battle on tracks you construct in seconds. Control them with your smart device and take down opponents in a variety of game modes. Your experience with Anki Overdrive starts with construction. Open the box and build one of 8 battle tracks quickly and easily. From there, the Anki Overdrive app handles everything else, from getting you connected to teaching you gameplay, so you can start playing immediately. The more you play, the more weapons and upgrades you unlock for your cars. By equipping new weapons, special items, and upgrades, you can customize each of your cars to make them your own. There are over 350 different weapons and upgrades for you to unlock and discover. And that's just a starter kit. Once you've mastered the basics, take your game to the next level by adding more track pieces and supercars. Just like choosing maps in video games, how you build the track has a big impact on gameplay. Anki Overdrive offers a ton of ways to play, like a multi-hour campaign with over 25 AI commanders for you to compete against. You can go solo, or team up with friends for cooperative play. Want to play by your own rules? Head into open play and choose from one of 5 game types. And your experience doesn't stop there. App updates keep the gameplay fresh, bringing you new features and functionality. Anki Overdrive. It's easy to pick up and nearly impossible to put down.
Anki Overdrive uses robotics and AI to create a product experience that feels like magic. But what do we mean when we say the cars have artificial intelligence? It comes down to 3 important systems: positioning, reasoning, and execution. You can think of positioning as how the cars know where they are on the track. In Anki Overdrive, every car is equipped with a dedicated processor and an infrared camera. 500 times a second, the cars adjust their steering and power to stay on course, scanning patterns encoded in the track, and sending that data to the player's device. The supercars now have a complete understanding of their environment, so they can start planning their next move.
The sophisticated AI engine infuses each commander's personality into every aspect of the game. It then simulates thousands of possible driving actions, taking into account virtual upgrades, as well as the physical properties of the cars and track. Once it identifies the best course of action, it moves on to the next phase: execution. The player's device sends the final instruction to the AI car. In this case, the AI decides to hit the gas, pull ahead of ground shock. In a typical game, our AI can consider well over 50,000 possible actions. Think you can outsmart it?